how to quit your job and make your own money. Folks, I remember I quit my job. It was not easy. It was actually a process, but I did it, and now I make my own money, and I love it. I love it. I love it so much that I am like feeling so weird because I don't like go to work for somebody else anymore, and it feels so weird. But I'm about to tell you, how to quit your job and how to make your own money. I'm gonna tell you, like, what it's all about and what it takes, folks. So I have a video that I'm gonna show you at the end of this video. I'm gonna tell you my story, exactly how I quit my job, the things that happened that day I quit, I walked out. So make sure you stay tuned through the whole video so that you can watch that video at the very end on how I actually quit my job. But I'm about to tell you right now, some things about how to quit your job too also. So divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. I was always that type of person where I daydreamed a lot, and you probably can relate to. This is why you want to quit your job. And I always used to think about places I want to go. I wonder what it's like in Thailand. I wonder what it's like in China. I wonder what it's like to go to Brazil, to go to Paris. You see all these places like in books and on advertisements and magazines and stuff like that on television. And it's like, yo, I want to go there. Don't you feel like that sometimes? Don't you want to be free in living? Don't you want to have that freedom to be able to say, you know what, I can go anywhere I want to go. Like right now, if I wanted to go somewhere, I can just get on a plane flight and just go there. Nothing's holding you back. Don't you want to be like that? Don't you want to be able to say, you know what, I want to just go out today and go hike because I can do that? Don't you want to be like, I can spend money without worrying about how much money I got left? Folks, all this comes when you quit your job and you start making your own money. Okay? But the basics is this. You got to realize, making money at a job, working for somebody else, it's a mental program, folks. That's all it is. It's a mental program. Technically, it's not true. Technically, there is many multiple and array of different numerous ways to the money you can make money, folks. Trust me. I mean, I'm living it right now. I'm living proof to be able to say that. Like, there's so many more ways to make money versus going to like help somebody else build their dream. And the only way you're going to experience all these different outlets and ways of making money is if you actually find out, or not, I said that backwards. What you got to do is you got to realize that this is a mental program that you're in. If you go to work, if you're at work right now, it's just the mental program. That's just what somebody taught you. Somebody taught you and said, hey, you got to go to work, check, work, check, work, check, work, check. Man, I know some people, man, who believe in going to work for somebody else like it's like it's supposed to be like that. Like they have really held on to the program and that it's the best thing ever, and they will go against anybody who says that going to work and getting a paycheck, is not the right way. They will completely bash you because you're talking down on going to work. I know people like that, man. I know people like that, but the way to really, get out of your job, folks, is you have to realize this is a mental program. So how do you break this program? What you got to do is you got to start using things like what I talk about here on my channel, and you need to subscribe. I talk about like how to attract things to you. So you got to say affirmations like, I am going to quit soon. I am going to quit this job one day. I'm not going to be working for too long. One day I'll be working for myself. That's what I did for like 2 years. And it took 2 years for it to actually manifest. But I remember the day I started telling myself that I'm not going to be working. I even used the affirmation telling my mom. So that way I had to like promise myself that I was going to quit because I had to prove to somebody that what I was saying was true. So maybe you can do that. Maybe you can tell people around you. I wouldn't necessarily tell the people at your job. You don't want to get fired early or nothing like that. But tell your best friends and your cousins, your family members, I'm not going to be working for long. I'm not going to be doing this job for too long. I ain't going to be clocking in every day going to work for too long. You got to say these affirmations, and what you say to other people, they gonna remember it. They gonna remember it, especially if it's something big like that. Like, you gonna quit your job? That's blasphemy. You gonna quit work? You know what I'm saying? People go against you, man, for thinking like that. I'm telling you, you gonna quit work and be creative? You gonna be a creative person? No, you can't be a creative person. You gotta be just like us. You know what I'm saying? And so this will help you put pressure on you to where these affirmations will begin to manifest the feeling inside of you that you're not supposed to be working. Now, the feeling, when the feeling conjures up, when the feeling like gets bigger and bigger and bigger because you're saying affirmations day by day by day. Now, this is what creates the motivation and the confidence for you to actually quit. See, the thing is, it ain't that people want to work. It's just that they don't have the confidence to say, you know, if I quit today, I'm gonna make money by another mean of making money, another way of making money. I'm gonna have multiple different ways to make money if I quit today. See, a lot of people don't have the confidence to even just walk away from that mindset. See what I'm saying? So when you build up this confidence, you know, you're not working or whatever, you're not gonna be working, then you're gonna start to perform the actions, the necessary actions that it takes to get you out of your 9 to 5. You understand? You're gonna actually feel like, you know, I gotta go do this, I gotta go do that, because that's gonna help me be able to quit. You know, so it's all about building up that confidence, building up that gratitude and that self-esteem by using the affirmation. Now, this is the part that you might need help with, and this is why I'm here. I'm a life coach, folks. So if you want to get in contact with me after this video, look in the comment section and I will provide you with my services of finding your passion. Now, the next thing you must do in order to be able to quit your job, quit your 9 to 5 and make your own money, folks, you have to find something that you're very passionate about. You know, I'll talk about this in that next video that you're about to watch, but you have to find something that you're really passionate about. Once you find the thing that you're really passionate about, and you know without a shadow of a doubt, you could do this thing without even getting paid. Like this thing that you become passionate about, like, you know, you just automatically feel like, yeah, man, I really can do that all the rest of the days of my life. Now, that is the thing that's going to make you money. That's the thing that's going to make you money. And that's the job that you need to be doing for yourself. That's the job that's going to generate you finances because you're passionate about it. That's the creative way of making money. This is the creative way of making money for yourself, folks, and make your own money. Everybody has a gift. God gave everybody a gift. God gave everybody a passion. And people that want to work and they work every day and they really believe that's what they're supposed to be doing is for working for somebody else. The truth of the reality is they don't believe that they're creative enough. That's one thing that I was dealing with when I was working. I'm like, yo, I know I'm creative enough to not be working here. I know I am. I know I'm smart and I'm intelligent enough to find another way to make money without having to go to work. That's what I used to always think about. Like, and it just bubbled up because I began to use affirmations, like really confirming my greatness. You know, I began to realize my self-worth. You know, I don't have to be getting up every morning, wasting 8-9 hours of my day to go help somebody else build their dream. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, I want to build my dream. So when you find your passion, this is when you start to invest in yourself. You invest in that passion, that gift that you have. And the more you continue to invest in yourself and you actually like do the thing, like quit the job and you start jumping and doing that passion, folks, it's going to generate you money and you're going to start making your own money. Now, once again, folks, if y'all need help, if you're watching this video, you want to quit your job, but you just don't know what you would do if you quit. You don't know another way to make money. You don't know what your passions are. You need to look in the comment section. You need to get in contact with me. Send me an email right after this video, and I will offer you my services, which are very inexpensive, folks. I'm Trenius Henderson of the infamous Living Realm Network. Oh yeah, and if you want to watch that video of like what happened, you know, that day I really quit my job, just click this little tag right here. It'll take you to that video, okay? In the meantime, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe up here by clicking my face, and check out this next video while you're at it. This is how you quit your job and make your own money, folks. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Peace.